Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Cheryl Ann Gapila, 25 years old. I live in Parudon Norte, Apari, Cagayan. I am married. I have 2 kids. I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters.
Okay. So, do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
No, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
And who is your employer?
My employer's name is Natividad Sabado. They are 3 members in the family. They have 1 son.
Okay, so how long did you stay in that employer?
2 years, ma'am.
Okay, so what are your main duties in your previous employer?
My main duties are taking care of kids.
Mm-hmm.
Also, household works like cleaning,
Uh-huh.
wash and ironing clothes,
Okay.
marketing,
Okay.
and gardening, ma'am.
Okay, so why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I'll choose Hong Kong because have a high salary other than countries, and I want to earn money for the future of my children.
Okay, so do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like
Steamed chicken,
Uh-huh.
stir-fry vegetables, and steamed fish. And I'm willing also to learn how to cook food Chinese, ma'am.
Okay, so are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have a long patience to get along with an elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them a good manners,
Uh-huh.
how to speak in English, write, and read, ma'am.
Okay, so can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give an example, please?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
I'm looking for a nice and understanding ma'am that I am a new in there in Hong Kong, ma'am.
Okay, are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so how can you control your homesick?
I will make myself busy and focus to my work, ma'am.
Okay, so what can you say about yourself?
I am honest and hardworking and obedient, ma'am.
Okay, so can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
To my future employer, ma'am, I hope that you're going to give me a chance to help to work in your family, ma'am. That and I am promised that I'm going to do all my best and be a patient to your family, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is that all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.